Hey everybody, Details by Matt. So today we're going to talk about window cleaning, a couple pro tips. So there are several different window cleaning products. The problems with window cleaning is that after you clean it, you want it clean and a smooth surface. You don't want a grip type of surface, but you want it clean and protected. So we're going to go over how to accomplish that without leaving streaks, leftover residue, and or fuzz behind. Now, the main problem I have is with leftover residue is the microfibers that you get like over the counter at Walmart or automotive store is a very short weave. Those are great for interior cleaning, plastics, etc. They have also towels that you can get online that are, this is from the Rag Company, that are a longer, much more flush and edgeless. Those are great. My go-to is the medium weave by Chemical Guys, and it's not an edgeless. So this type of quality rag is super important. It's like 50% of the quality of window within your task of window cleaning. Microfiber, super important. So get your go-to microfiber cloth and your go-to product. You don't want to use Windex. That's something that I very rarely use unless it's a really extreme problem or whatever I got to tackle. You can get products with protection. This is the Armor All Extreme Shield plus ceramic. That leaves an okay finish. You just have to two-step clean it first and then apply that. Then you have your products like Simple Reflection, leaves a phenomenal finish. A little pricey just to have it for windows, but great. And you can use that on paint, interior, whatever. So, microfiber, your preferred cleaner. Miss the window. You don't want to get a whole bunch on there. Don't shoot for overkill. Wipe your window down and work it in. Flip it around to the dry side so you can pick it up. And there you have a nice smooth finish that's not grippy, nice and smooth. It feels protected. It is protected. And it doesn't leave a lot of fuzz behind. Now you can also get really plush microfibers at a lot of places, mainly like your big box stores, that are really plush and feel like they'll do a really good job on the windows. But after doing a few, you're going to find that it leaves a lot of little fuzzies behind on the window, and that's just aggravating. So, correct microfiber and the correct amount of product and the correct product is key. Window tip. Details by Matt.